Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to make this 3D text effect and graphic effect on John Cena image by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. Open new document. I make my project size 1000px into 600px and choose CMYK color mode. Now adjust it. I already choose some color, you can choose your own. Select Type tool and type your text. You can choose any font. I choose this font and define font size. Now type your text and Alt plus drag to make duplicate. Now choose Ellipse tool and make a circle. You can choose other shape too. Select Knife tool and cut out circle and give some space. Select your first text and one part of circle and press Ctrl plus Alt plus C. Again with others too. Go to Object menu and select Expand. Choose your color for text. Select all and press Ctrl plus G. Now make a copy and paste. Resize one of them and arrange it. Again go to Object menu and select Blend option, specified steps and give value. Again go to Object menu and select Blend and choose Make. Again paste by press Ctrl plus V and ungroup it and modify it. Again group it by press Ctrl plus G and align it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to import images and position it. If you want to some style in image, select it and find and press Image Trace. There you can modify it. And in Advanced section you can remove white background. It is done. If you want some changes, select 3D text and go to Object menu and blend and release it. And make changes. Thanks for watching.